Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vic and today I'm here to talk to you about the FlowForce Max. So if you're here in this video, you're probably looking for more information about this supplement. Then stay with me until the very end of this video. For sure it's going to be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. I also want to give you some important warnings and alerts that you must know before actually purchasing this supplement. Then stay with me, alright? However, if you watch this video until the end and you think you need more information about it, I'm gonna leave the link for the official website just below in the description of this video. Just go to the description box, click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But remember to stay with me because the warnings and alerts will be available only on this video, right? So the FlowForce Max is a supplement that is 100% natural. That means, guys, it has no chemical composition in its formula, only natural ingredients. So it has no side effects, no contradictions. Any man can take it because it's only going to bring benefits to your body and your organism, okay? And what is it for? So the FlowForce Max promises to help you with your prostate problems, all right? So many men have been using this supplement. You can see on the official website many testimonials about it. And it has been helping thousands of men around the world with their prostate problems. So as men age, they start to have these prostate problems, some urinary problems, bladder problems, like they have to go to the bathroom in every 5 minutes. They can't even sleep okay because they're always going to the bathroom. Besides other problems too, like it affects the libido and so many other things. And sometimes you go to the doctor and they give you lots of pills to take, and we know that this is not healthy at all because it all has chemical composition in their formula. So that's right, guys, that's what this supplement will do for you. It will help with any kind of prostate problems you may have, or even to prevent having these problems, because we know that it can happen to any man. And because it will guarantee that your bladder will be free of any fungal infections, all right? So you won't feel any pain anymore. But guys, remember that you must be committed to it, take it every single day in order to obtain these results, okay? So be committed to it. You just have to take one of the candy, it's a little candy, one of this little candy every single day. So you will see all of these results in no time, right? But if you're still scared of buying it, if you think it may not work for you, you may lose your money, I have to tell you that it has an extended guarantee of 60 days. So you can actually test it for 2 months, and if you don't see any results, you can just go to the official website, contact the support team, ask for a refund, and they will give 100% of your money back. So that's how legit they are, guys, and that's how much they believe in their product. It's also a guarantee that you can feel safe about buying it because you won't lose anything, all right? But I have an alert to share with you. This supplement is only sold at their official website, so it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of this video, and that's the only link that you can buy the original FlowForce Max from, nowhere else, so be very careful with that, alright? And this were the information I wanted to share with you about it. Thank you so much for watching this video until here. I hope I have helped you. And don't forget to check the website out there. You can see all the complete information about it, the complete list of ingredients, and also buy the original FlowForce Max from only by this link that I left just below this video. Thank you so much for watching until here, and see ya.